Hello and welcome to the YouTube video.
So we are currently moving the solar panels back a little bit like we discussed last week. That's how much space there is. But I mean, hey, boom ain't getting any longer, so it's gonna be just fine.
I was thinking about how there's like the sailing Bible or whatever, and I was like, man, I need like the opposite of that. Like after this, I could write the opposite of the sailing Bible, all the things to not do. And I was thinking there's like supposed to be some like book written by Satan, the Grand Grimoire, whatever, at the Vatican. I could write the grimoire of sailing after this. All of the forbidden techniques. How to do everything the wise old guy said not to do. That's what it'll be called.
Did you get it?
Yeah, got off. But at what cost to your soul? See now,
Beautiful.
no clacking happening
No
now.
clack-a-lackin'.
No, we're clack-a-lacking. We're lacking the clack. You won't catch us slacking on the clacking.
This is the last section that I need to cut out. Cleanability of it is really, it scores really well on that as also. Steven opened his super special bottle of wine for our first sale and then like almost instantly spilled some of it. Not really instantly, but he spilled some of it onto the bench where this foam is, and it just like dabbed right up. I can't even tell where he spilled anymore. So now I've got the general shape of it, and I'm gonna just take the scissors and around the hinges. Beautiful. This stuff sticks so well. Oh yeah, that looks really good. And this like angled side step, it grips your shoes so well. This was like a really slippery, not good part of the cockpit, and now it's excellent. Hello! So today what I'm doing is adjusting the bimini, and I'm going to tailor it to our new arch. What I'm doing is using leftover of this to basically make straps that'll just wrap around the arch and snap together that way. We'll see. This is my little sewing station. The nav station has become the sewing station, and I'm ready to go. Sunbrella strap that I can use to snap this bimini onto the new arch. This is just for the bimini, so this is like I'm not making perfect seams or anything to where it looks super great, because you're not going to really be looking at it that close, so I don't care too much. See? So now I've got a nice thick strap, and I can sew this to the bimini, and then it'll hook around the solar arch and snap to itself. Now the hard part is getting the whole bimini like shoved up here to where I can sew on it. But you'll see, it'll work out. All right, so I got the bimini all ready to go. It's hooked up on that side. There. Wow, yay, it's up. Once I fix the middle, this part will be more up like that, a little tighter too. But overall, it looks pretty good. Now it's held down in the front and held down in the back, looking really nice. Wow. Well, at least we know it works.
Yep.
So that when we go out tonight,
our dinghy is now a foot higher thanks to Marvin awesomely cutting and re-welding the davits so that they're taller than they were before.
Noise cut this and just shortened it right here so that it would lift the whole thing up.
Okay, slow, nice and slow. Great job. Okay, you relax how far you got to make your less.
Hey, this is great.
Excellent, turn more.
Yeah, hard is you gotta turn, but it's also like not really hard right here.
Really more. That sounds like.
Yay! Such a smooth go. Oh, I'm so excited! This is so fun. We're going out like and not coming back today. Just gonna be out all night. It's weird going somewhere overnight and like not having to pack. Like, all of my stuff is going with me on the boat. It's crazy. Oh, there he is. Oh, we scared him. There he goes again. Our mascot. He's very excited to spend his first night out in the bay.
Okay.
It's nearly jib time.
There she goes. How fast are we going?
Well, our GPS is still in miles per hour, but it says 6.2 miles per hour. That's pretty good.
Yeah.
Especially considering that we're like not really even trying to go super fast. We're at like a close reach, right? That's what this is?
Yes,
It's
you're
like
in a close
where
reach.
you're gonna
Good
get,
job.
because nautical miles are longer than regular miles,
We are.
which means we're going in knots a little bit slower than this says, right?
I'm doing it!
This is ridiculous.
Not a bad place to be. You're doing an excellent job.
Thanks.
Well, shall we try and tack?
Sure, if you want.
Let's do it. Perfect. See, the camera did fall. The Bimini caught it. We've spent some amount of time
Probably
just
2 hours.
beating upwind, zigzagging upwind because the sailboat can't go straight into the wind, and the island that we want to sail to is right straight upwind. So we've just kind of been working our way upwind. We're doing pretty well. See, the wind just kicked up. Now we're moving, cruising. It's surprisingly cold out here.
Yeah, it's like 65-ish degrees.
But with the wind,
But
it
the-
feels so much colder.
Yeah, the wind, it's not like a warm wind. It is a cold wind.
Yep. It feels very wintertimey. Yeah, it's beautiful out here. It's wonderful.
Yep.
I guess dreams do come true. I don't know. There's something. Yeah, it's great. I'm excited. I'm excited to see how long and how far we can go in this boat. And if we end up just going to Florida and the Florida Keys, or if we end up going like through the whole Caribbean and then like, oh, let's go to Greece or like, I don't know. That'll be interesting to see. I'm excited. All right, now the problem that we're having is our roller furling is jammed. Something's not right. That's as far rolled up as I can get it. We're coming into our anchorage here. About to drop the anchor for the first time.
Very exciting.
Wow. We did it.
We've got a beautiful sunset outside. Steven's cutting up some shallots to add to our
Look at this view out the kitchen window.
tilapia pan. I've got some tomatoes I'm tossing in there. It's gonna be delicious. And right out the window from where I'm cooking. Beautiful.
Are you hijacking our YouTube channel and turning it into a cooking show?
I mean, I'm not gonna say I'm not. Oh yeah. Now all it needs is a little balsamic. Just look at that. No better words than that view.
The moon's coming out. It's like a full moon. That's gonna be awesome.
'Tis done.
Nice.
Eat some delicious fish and watch the sunset. Oh man, it looks so good with the sunset and the lights. Excellent.
Well, how rough would you say that night was?
Medium to high rough.
The wind shifted, so we weren't protected by the island anymore, so it was just really choppy, bouncy, wild ride all night. Just the main today because our roller furling broke yesterday.
It's a beautiful morning out on the water today. Feels good to be heading more downwind. Yep, just peacefully making our way back downwind.
Our roller furling jammed up. The dinghy is not getting fuel to the engine. And the wires or something, I believe it's the wires inside the mast, slap so bad it's horrible at night. I think that's it. Everything else is going great.
Are you filming?
Yep.
Hi. And boop. That's my finger. One problem solved another problem.
Fight problems with problems. He who lives by the problems dies by the problems.
On and everything.
Mason's back.
Let's do this first.
Okay.
Oh, he's back like right here. I thought you saw him drive by.
No, I mean like Mason's literally right in front of us.
This is my no-no finger.
Cool setting. I will have to find it and turn it off. I shouldn't have let go of that.
Okay.
We'll show him how it's done. I think it's not really that it's that hard. It's just that it can go from carefree and fun to like really ugly really fast. Yeah, it's awesome. I'm sucking at words right now, Savannah. You got anything? Ooh, look at how cute and fun you look.
Yeah, I could definitely just watch the water for hours and hours.